Hey, it's Blair Lawrence for Blair's Cooking with Koala First. Today I'm talking about Major Mushroom Stock Base. Now, when I first tried this stock base, I was like, wow, I can use this stock base for so many things in so many different recipes. I love this stock base. It's actually now a staple item in my refrigerator. Now, this mushroom stock has no MSG added. It makes 5 gallons of broth, so that's a great bang for your buck. You put it in your fridge. It's made out of plastic, the container. It has a twist-off lid. Just so easy to use. And you can see the consistency here. It has a great brown mushroom color to it. And it's so easy to use because of its consistency. See how smooth that is? It's a really smooth stock base. So that's pretty much gonna dissolve as soon as your water starts boiling. So it's a really great and easy way to add intense mushroom flavor to any sort of soup or stew or gravy or sauce or whatever you're using it for. And I love using this for cream of mushroom soup, wild mushroom risotto. If I want to bring just a great mushroom flavor to, let's say, potatoes, I use it for potatoes. It's just such a great stock. I really do enjoy it. So you can find this stock and so many other really great stocks. Like there's lobster stock, there's chicken stock, there's lamb stock, and they're all available at Koala First at www.koalafirst.com. Thanks.